Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As always, it's me Ivan, and today we'll be talking about my second Casio AE1200, which, just like the first one, I've modded with a solid metal kit from SKXMOD.com. This time I went for the black DLC with gold accents version, and it's simply amazing, as you'll see in a moment. For those of you who've never heard about SKX Mod, all you need to know is that they make modding kits, mostly for the AE1200 and the GA2100 models. Those kits consist of solid metal cases and bracelets, and in the case of the AE1200, the cases come with a sapphire crystal. In addition, these kits are really well made, they're also very nicely finished, and there are a ton of different configurations you can choose from. And yes, I know exactly what you're thinking, €140 may seem a lot for modding a €40 watch, but trust me on this one, it's totally worth it. I've just mentioned the price, so I think I should explain a little bit more why I think spending €40 for the watch itself and €140 for one of these kits is a good choice. Well, let me tell you this, as you know, I love Casio, especially their G-Shock models. But truth to be told, their recent releases aren't very exciting, and that's precisely why I haven't reviewed any in the last 3 months or so. Not to mention that there aren't any in the €180 price point that feature a solid metal case and bracelet. So when you look at it this way, what SKX Mod is offering for the money doesn't sound bad at all. To back up what I'm saying, here is a closer look of this black version. As I've already told you, the build quality is very good. The sapphire crystal is very clear thanks to the AR coating applied on the underside. And here you can also see that the case is completely matte finished, and so is the bracelet. In case you're wondering guys, the black paint is not DLC treated, but instead it is IP coated with a 980 Vickers scratch resistant coating, which from my experience it does a great job at protecting the watch. In fact, getting hairline scratches is literally impossible. Here I'm applying a fair amount of pressure with this metal tip screwdriver, and as you can see, it doesn't leave a single mark on the bracelet links. So my guess is that the black paint will hold well for a very long time. Something else you should know about the current generation of these kits is that they now come with a milled clasp and not a pressed metal one. Here is my first gen silver version, and although I wasn't bothered by the clasp at all, I must admit going milled was the right thing to do. Everything else remains about the same, all the links of the bracelet are solid and secured with screws. In addition, the bracelet comes with quick release spring bars, and so you can easily remove it and use the original Casio rubber band that comes with the black AE1200 models. For the case back, I'm reusing the original one that came with the watch. However, if you want to mod your Casio Royale even more, you can purchase some of the custom-made case backs that SKX Mod is offering on their website. Finally guys, let me just say that the installation of these kits is extremely easy. All you need to do is remove the case back, take out the module which comes out in one piece with the screen and everything. Then you also need to remove the plastic that has all the branding on it, and then simply place them in the new case. There is also a rubber gasket that you need to make sure is placed correctly, but honestly, it's not difficult at all. And if for some reason you don't want to do it by yourself, you can purchase a complete build from them, just contact them via Instagram or email, and let them know how you want it exactly. The bottom line is, to me, the SKX Mod metal kits for the AE1200 are worth every penny. As I said earlier, for a total of €180, you're getting a premium Casio. The AE1200, in case you're not familiar with it, is a feature-packed watch with a 10-year battery and 100 meters of water resistance, which by the way is not compromised by the metal kit. One of the features that I really like is that this Casio gives you a quick access to 3 additional time zones that you can cycle between by pressing the lower right button, which is great for those who travel often or for those like me who have friends and family in different countries. And then it obviously has all the typical Casio functions, such as stopwatch, countdown timer, 5 alarms, and an LED backlit display. So if you've never owned one of these Casios, I strongly recommend them even if you don't want to get the SKX Mod. They're inexpensive, durable, and you can easily find them in stock anywhere. As you can guess, I got mine from Relojería Esparza here in Spain for a little less than 40 euro. There you have it, guys. If you like the AE1200 Casio, definitely check the SKX Mod website and Instagram. And besides everything else that I've said in favor of these kits, I want to add that although I have quite a few G-Shocks in my collection, including an MTG and an MRG, I just can't see myself getting rid of these two. I like them that much. They're just too cool and unique for me not to keep them. But hey, as always, I'm open to discussion. In fact, I would really like to know what you think about these. Do you like them? Do you think they're worth it? And if you do, which one would you like to own? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing as I review all sorts of watches, Casio, Seiko, AliExpress, and even some luxury pieces every once in a while. In fact, my next video is going to be of this gorgeous Breitling chronograph. So yeah, take care, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.